Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to answer the NSAA 2016 Section 1, Question 52. Sodium sulfate is prepared by neutralizing 25 cm cubed of 0.1 mole per decimeter cube sodium hydroxide with exactly 50 cm cubed of sulfuric acid. What is the concentration of sulfuric acid in grams per decimeter cubed? So to answer this question, we can find the concentration of sulfuric acid in moles per decimeter cubed, and then we can convert that to grams per decimeter cubed. So if you want to have a go at that, feel free to pause the video now. Okay, so let's first write out our equation. So sodium hydroxide plus sulfuric acid goes to sodium sulfate plus water. Now we need to balance the equation. So we know that there's only one sodium on the left and two on the right. So we have 2 lots of sodium hydroxide, and we have 4H on the left and only 2 on the right, so we have 2H2O. And there's our balanced equation. Now to find the concentration of sulfuric acid, so we know the volume and concentration of sodium hydroxide, so we can find out the moles of sodium hydroxide, which will be volume times the concentration. Remember, volume in decimeter cubed, and that'll give you 2.5 times 10 to the minus 3 mole. We can see that we have a 2-to-1 ratio of moles, so our moles of sulfuric acid will be half that, so it will be 1.25 times 10 to the minus 3 mole. And we know the volume of sulfuric acid, so we can find the concentration by doing the moles divided by the volume, which will give us 0.025 moles per decimeter cubed. But our question asks us to find the concentration in grams per decimeter cubed. So how do we convert moles per decimeter cubed to grams per decimeter cubed? I mean, if I were you, I wouldn't bother trying to learn an equation. I will simply try to work this out by looking at the units. So we have grams per decimeter cubed, so we know one of our products is going to have grams on the top, and one of our products is going to have decimeter cubed at the bottom. So we need a denominator and a numerator that will cancel out. So what can we put? We can put moles, which makes sense as we have moles per decimeter cubed here, which is this. So now what's grams per mole? Well, grams per mole is the unit of the atomic mass, or the molecular mass. And you can see that because, remember, mass equals atomic mass times moles, or molecular mass times moles, which is grams equals grams per mole times mole. So the units for molecular mass is grams per mole. Luckily, we're given the molecular mass of sulfuric acid, so we can do the molecular mass 98 times the concentration in moles per decimeter cubed, which we worked out, and this will give you the concentration of 2.45 grams per decimeter cubed. So looking at our list of options, you can see that the correct answer is D.